Okay, so BeanMPX. It's a not very common communication protocol used by Toyota. So what I've done is I've created an Arduino interface to be able to read and transmit messages across. So let's have a look. I created this little circuit here. You can see. So we got the receive logic here and the transmit logic right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the ground. Don't need that for now. And I'm going to attach the BeanMPX communication line, and you can see the status LED start flashing. So let's cut over to the Arduino sketch. I created a library here with an example sketch, which is called BeanMPX example. So for the time being, I'm going to comment out the send message. So let's just upload this to my Nano. Hopefully it works. Good. So let's look at the serial monitor, and we'll be able to see BeanMPX, and you see it's outputting the same message three times. Now, if we were to come back here and we were to include the 12 volts, so we can transmit as well, you'll see on here that after each message there's a 40 byte, which is basically sending an acknowledgement bit, so it doesn't replicate the same message 3 times. Now the next step what we can do is we can close out of here, and I have another sketch here which is quite very, very similar. But what I do here is I set the engine temperature from the CAN bus. So up here I have a CAN bus module for the Arduino Nano and a CAN bus for the Uno. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to quickly program it. I'm going to see if I can control the engine temperature. So let's do that. Let's upload this sketch. There we go. Okay, done. So let's plug this guy in. Reset. And let's look at this. Okay, now we see a T for transmit. And if we look at the cluster here, we can see that we can make it go all the way down. Oh, I didn't plug in. There we go, plugged in the Uno. You can see that we can control the engine temperature to go all the way hot and go all the way cold. And I'm doing all this from the potentiometer. Now it doesn't update right away. I think it's a 3-second delay for this from within the cluster itself. So again, I could just increase it all the way hot, full hot, and you can see that it climbs all the way hot. Now I think I'm going to make another video possibly describing how the Bean protocol works, but that's it for now.